Welcome to Mr. Belle Kitchen. Today, Mr. Belle is doing something different in the kitchen today. Today, I'll be baking a chicken. As you see, I have my carrots nice and cut. My mini potatoes is sliced in half. I have some bell peppers, some green onions, and some celery. It's all around this pan right here. I'm gonna season up the chicken and sit it right in the middle, and I'll be covering it with some foil paper. And I set my oven on 375. I'll let it cook for 45 minutes first, and then I'll take the foil paper off it. In the meantime, I'll be seasoning up this chicken. Okay, so what I'm gonna do now, as you see, the chicken is looking nice and good in there. I'm gonna just pour this garlic butter all over it. Just like this. And then after this, I'm gonna put my seasoning on it. I'm gonna rub it on. And I'm just gonna eyeball everything today and rub it just like that. Put my seasoning on it. And rub it like that. It's looking nice and good. And I'm gonna eyeball the season. Okay, as you see, this is the season I used: the garlic butter, the garlic powder, onion salt, seasoned salt, black pepper, chicken powder. And I just put it all over everything. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm just gonna stick it in the oven and let it bake. Okay, it's been 20 minutes. As you see, everything is looking nice and everything. It's baking pretty good. So I'm gonna put it back in. Just wanna get a little idea how it's cooking. Okay, I took it out. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just flip this chicken over on the other side and let it cook. Just like that. And I mix up the vegetables a little. Just like that, let it cook. Okay, as you see, it's getting nice and brown and everything. The vegetables inside of it is just about done. So this should be almost done in about another 10 or 15 minutes. Okay, this right here, I just took it out, it's done. It's been about an hour and a half. So this is done, the vegetables done, the chicken is done. And that's right there, cooking with the bells. You know how to subscribe, just hit that bell and you subscribe to Mr. Belle Kitchen. Thank you.